Welcome to Research Rocks. If you have Tesla cars, so this video is very important for you because of I'm purchasing couple of accessories, especially on my Tesla Model 3. Which accessories I'm purchasing, where I'm purchasing, what is the price, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. First of all, I will tell you where I'm purchasing this accessories. After that, we can do unboxing and fix. So we can see which platform I'm using to purchase this accessories. This is the platform ebuzz.com, like evbase.com. I can pronounce like this, and this platform are selling just only Tesla related accessories. No other cars accessories they are selling. That one is very interesting. Here the all types of model accessory, Tesla Model S3, X, Y, Cybertruck. I am purchasing wheel covers on my Model 3. This wheel covers I am purchasing as it is same price is 1322 Danish krona. It's very affordable. If you have the Tesla cars, my personal recommendation, you should visit here and purchase your favorite one accessories, and after that you can very easily fix this accessory. So now come to the point, I'm doing unboxing here. This is box is a little big, so we can change the place. Let's start unboxing. Inside the box, most important accessories come here. Wheel cover of Tesla car. So look at this here. The wheel quality is amazing. Even I'm purchasing one of the round Tesla cover also here. It's really good quality. So we have 4 of them. Now box is empty. So yeah. And it's very easy to installation as well in your car. Before fix, we have the strip as well. We need to fix this strip in here for the gripping point of view. So now we can fix this one first of all. Before fix this in the car exactly, so here is the sticker, so we can remove the sticker and fix like this exactly in ending of the hard line. We can properly fix this one exactly here. This one is something new. One wheel is completed. Now second one. Four is completed. Before going outside and fix the Tesla car, we can fix everything here only, and after that we can just go outside and fix. And we have some stickers also in Tesla. TTT 4 sticker specially for 4 wheels. So we can fix this sticker here. So I just simply remove this one like this, and here the little, if you have nail, good nail, so then it's very nice. Look at this here, we can fix like this, and boom, very easily fix any of the position, no matter, because of wheel is always round position. So second 2 is completed. Now third, number 4. So look at this, look like this. Now we can go outside. So now let's start. Before fix, you should clean first of all, and how you remove very easily. Focus on where you put it on the ear in your tire. Accordingly, very easily remove. Use both hand in single portion. As it is, use continuously one by one all the portion of this previous wheel. Sometimes open directly, but make sure and careful open. And after that, look at this here, the old one. You can see properly how exactly fix old one. Now this is a new one, and we can fix. First of all, you just focus on the where we put it the air in the tire. Accordingly, this hole are showing the wheel new one, and after that it's very easy. Look at this here, I just press here and fix. It's easy to fix as it is. You can rest of 3 wheels you can fix similar, and after that see the look of my car is a totally new, attractive and amazing. Make sure you should purchase eBus platform to this wheel, and link is available on video description. Hope you enjoy this video. You have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.